Hello guys, welcome back to my channel NexTutorial. My name is Khalil, and in today's video I will show you the steps on how to factory or data reset your TCL XL. This particular device is with TrackPhone. I will show you the steps how to get it done. Very easy. You won't have any issues. First thing, you want to make sure the device is completely turned off. So let's go ahead and power it off to start the reset. Once your device is completely turned off, what you want to press are two buttons in order to get to the recovery screen: the power and the volume up key. So press and hold. Once the device comes on, release the power and keep holding the volume up key until you get to the recovery menu. Once you get to this menu right here, you want to use the volume down key to select the wipe data factory reset. Press the power key, scroll down to yes. Let's go into wipe and format. Once it's done, you can go ahead and scroll down to wipe cache partition just to make sure it's clear. Once it's done, you can go ahead and press the power key to restart your device. This is the end of my video for the day. If you found it helpful to you, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And thank you again for the support, and I will see you next time.